Hey guys, welcome back to RV Philosophy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and replace all your camper lights, your typical halogen T10 lighting, with the cool white LED lights and the benefits and cost of that. In the description down below, I'm going to go ahead and include the links to purchase these. I purchased 10 of these LED replacements, 20 of these LED replacements for $16 off of eBay. Don't go to your big RV stores, because I've seen small 10 packs of these for over $60. These ones in particular were www.cineticausa.com. Again, I'm going to put a link in the description down below if you guys want to go directly and check these out. And there's quite a few advantages to these, but before that I want to show you what they look like in place in the 12-volt lights. So the one on the left is going to be the cool white LED, whereas the one on the right is going to be your typical T10 halogen light bulb. Not much of a lighting difference as the camera's picking up, but in person this is a much cooler light, more of a white, and this is more of a brighter yellow, if you will. Now the first advantage to these, why I really wanted to pick these up, was the LEDs are much cooler. They're literally physically cooler to the touch. They don't put out any heat, whereas your halogen, your T10s on the right, put out a significant amount of heat, and after just a 30 seconds or so, you can't even touch that light bulb. It will burn you. Moreover, if you put your hand on the cover is hot, whereas the cover here, no heat at all. The second advantage is these only use 1.5 watts of power, the LEDs, whereas the halogens use 5 watts of power. So that's a 3.5 watt difference. And if you go ahead and replace all the light bulbs in your camper, well, let's say there's 10, that's a 35 watt difference. So that's going to add up if you use your lighting for an extended period of time, hours on end, which this time of year I'm doing because it's wintertime in Florida. The third advantage is these are going to last much longer than these. These are going to burn out. And for the price, $16 for 20 light bulbs online, you can't really beat that. And also you can pick up the G4 connectors, G4 light bulbs as well, that go in place above your stovetop and above your couch. Same deal. It's a G4 LED light bulb instead of the halogen G4. So for a simple upgrade, you can go ahead and replace all the light bulbs in your camper. It's going to reduce your power output, reduce your heat output, and also they're going to last much longer. If you have any additional information you can add, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to RV Philosophy. Over and out.